Seedream 5 Pro is out, and in this video we are going to have a look at it, we're going to test it, and I'm going to show you how you can use it inside Photoshop. If you're ready, let's begin. So it was a couple of hours ago that Seedream 5 Pro came out, and I have been waiting for it for a couple of months, and I'm so happy that it's here. And if you're ready, let's have a look at it. Let's see what are the abilities of this new AI model and what we can do with it, where we can use it, how we can use it. So this is the official page of Seedream 5 Pro. I will put the link down in the description in case if you want to check it out. And here are some cool examples, as you can see, done by Seedream 5 Pro. And if we scroll down, here there are some more examples in different categories. For example, here we can see some infographic examples, and I'm going to show you a couple of tests that I have done myself. For example, this one looks amazing. It looks really cool. It looks like it was really drawn by a pencil by someone. I really like it. There are a lot of examples here, detailed text. As we can see here, the previous versions of Seedream, it was very weak in text, and we can see not only it is very good at text, but also in different languages. It is also really good at taking prompts or commands using annotations on the image, as you can see here. So this is the normal version with annotations, and when we hover on it, we can see all the changes happen. Look at the sofa, for example, the lamp here, all the changes based on the prompts on the image. Here we have some more examples, how it can understand different layers and different elements inside the image. Again, we have another example of annotations. It's really cool. Okay, this one is really good. It's a hand drawn of a page, and when we hover on it, we can see the result here. The next part is for photographic visual quality, and as you can see, it looks really realistic. It's amazing. Here we have some more examples for image edit. Let me come back here. The previous versions of Seedream was also good at image edit to make some changes on the image, but now they just made it much better. For example, this has been used for retouch and improving the skin of the character. That looks amazing. We have more examples here, but I don't want to just go deep in the examples on their webpage, and I want to show you how you can use it inside Photoshop and show you a couple of examples that I have made myself. So here we are inside Photoshop, and to use it, we are going to use this plugin at the image. If you don't have it, I will put the link down in the description. You can click on it. You can come here, get the plugin with all its features, and it has many different AI models, and Seedream 5 Pro was added recently. So you can come here and make a selection on your image, just write your prompt, and if we come to the settings here, we can see that the maximum resolution right now available is 2K with different aspect ratios and format. And this plugin will be connected to Replicate website. If you want to learn more about the plugin, you can watch this video here. And there are a lot of more videos on my channel about this plugin if you're interested. So I have been testing this. This is one of the infographics that I made myself. And look at all the details. Even though that it is 2K, the quality is really good. The details here, it's amazing. All the texts have been written correctly. There is no mistake in the text, which is amazing. In the previous versions of Seedream, like Seedream 4.5, it has massive weakness in the text, and it was hallucinating a lot. But as we look at all the details here, it knows all about the food itself, all the ingredients. It has followed everything perfectly, and I'm amazed with the result. Let's look at another example. This is a blueprint, And even if we look at the dimensions that mentioned here, if we want to compare them, it's more or less very accurate. For example, here, 320 millimeter, 420 millimeter, you can just compare the sizes and it is logical, the difference of the sizes. And every detail shown here, it looks really perfect. Let's look at another example. This is another example for a video game. And the design looks really cool. It's just like it's ready to use it for a video game. Let's look at another example. So this is for character consistency. Just look at the face of our character and the clothes. And you can see in all of these results, it kept the character consistency. And again, even though that it is 2K, the quality and the resolution is amazing. I'm really just waiting for the 4K. It should be fantastic. Let's look at more examples here. Oh, I liked this one a lot. It's really amazing. And another example, a realistic image. For example, here some of the faces, a little bit it looks like AI. You just by looking at the image, and especially since it is 2K, you can understand these faces are done by AI, but it's a huge upgrade from what it was on previous versions. Let's look at some more examples here. For example, in this one, I made an image of a living room and added some annotations myself. And here's the result. Just look at the changes on the wall. We added a painting. We changed the material and the color of the sofa, the lamp, and the light coming from the window. It did everything perfectly. We have another example here, again with annotations. And here's the result. Before, after. I really like it. And I really want to test something else right here and show you something cool. So on this plugin, if we come to the Pro tab, there are lots of other features here like restoring old damaged images or upscaling up to 200 megapixel. For example, using Crystal, it's amazing for upscaling. And here we have a prompt library for different ideas. I really like this one. I want to test this on this image. So I'm going to make my selection. And if you just come to the Pro tab, come to the plugin, to the prompt library, if you click on modify, it will load the prompt here for you. So let's try it out. I have made my selection, write your prompt and click on generate. That's all. And you can see it send the request of Seedream 5 Pro, and it should take usually between like 40 seconds up to 1 minute, 1 minute and a half to prepare the result and then bring it back here and place it on our Photoshop file. So I'm gonna fast forward and look at the result together. Okay, it's ready and let's look at the result. Okay, I really like it. It's one of the cool examples that I always test on different AI models. And look at all the details in the particle and the face. It kept original. Just look at what it was before, after, before, after. Again, even though that it is 2K resolution, it's really cool. And one thing, let me tell you that on the previous versions of Seedream, we could see some lines. It was made by lines, but now they have changed it to noises, and the image is made based on noises, and that's a correct path. And I'm really happy about the result. So this was the first try of Seedream 5 Pro. I'm gonna make more videos on this AI model because it's really cool, and there is a type of video that I really like. We're gonna have a battle between GPT Image 2, between Nano Banana 2 and Seedream 5 Pro, and see which one wins in different categories. So you know when you want to use these AI models, you know exactly based on your use case which one you should go after. So again, if you don't have this Photoshop plugin, click on the link below to get it. And if you have any question about it or about Seedream 5 Pro, or if you have any requests about any video idea, you can just leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video. This way I will understand you are enjoying this kind of tutorials and I will make more of them for you. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials and trainings on different AI models. I hope you have enjoyed this training and I will see you soon on the next video, which is gonna be really interesting. So see you soon.